So good morning. So we have finished all our trip. We are going to Milan Central. So we are at the railway station. This is the main railway station at the city of Milan, second busiest railway station in Italy after Rome, and largest railway station in Europe by volume. So the station is a terminus located at the northern end of central Milan, officially inaugurated in 1931. After that, there were some delays, but now on track. Milan Central has the high-speed connections to Turin in the west, Venice via Verona in the east, north-south to Bologna, Rome, Naples, Salerno. The Scipione and Gotthard railway station connects Milano Central to Basel and Geneva via Domodossola and Zurich via Chiasso in Switzerland. So we are moving towards Switzerland, Zurich. It's a destination of intercity regional trains radiate from Milan Central to border of France, Ventimiglia, Genoa, Turin, Domodossola, and Tirano, Bergamo, Verona, Mantova, Bologna, and Lepezia. So amazing station is this. It has its own history because the first station was started in 1864. After that, there was some design done by the French architect Louis Jules Bocaux, and subsequently, there are a lot of things which has happened. Now we are at the railway station. So we are now, as said, there are all high-speed trains mostly travel from here. You have a Bernina Express starting from Turin to St. Moritz. All you need to do is from Milan to travel there. So our trip is a high-speed train from Milan to Zurich. It's around 3.5 hours trip, and hope it is one of the memorable trip we are going to have. So the Milan Central Station has a different architecture. Somewhere it is very modern, somewhere it has got its own old Italian style, somewhere it is old French style. So everything is there. So let's enjoy. There are some shops are there. Let's go through those, and then we'll go to the station.